Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to grow Rhodiola Rosea. First, understand its preferred environment. This resilient plant flourishes in cold, high-altitude regions, so replicating these conditions is key. It needs at least 6 hours of full sun each day to grow robustly. Additionally, well-draining soil is crucial, ideally with a pH level between 6.0 and 7.0 to prevent root rot and support healthy development. When you're ready to plant, aim for early spring, right after the last frost has passed. You can start with either seeds or root cuttings. Make sure to give each plant ample room, spacing them approximately 12 inches apart to allow for proper air circulation and growth. If your soil is heavy, incorporating sand or perlite will significantly improve drainage, which is vital for rhodiola's root health. Rhodiola rosea prefers deep, infrequent watering. Allow the soil to dry out completely between waterings to prevent oversaturation, which can harm the roots. When it comes to feeding, fertilize sparingly. A balanced, slow-release granular fertilizer applied once in spring is usually sufficient. Young plants are more vulnerable, so protect them from harsh winds and extreme heat to ensure they establish well. Harvesting rhodiola roots requires patience, as they should mature for at least 3 to 5 years before digging. The best time to harvest for maximum potency is in late fall, after the plant's energy has returned to the roots. Carefully dig them up, clean them, and prepare them for use. And for more great tips and deals, including a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, check out the description below. Your support helps us create more helpful content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.